Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to find out your friend's birthday on Snapchat. Before we begin, please show me your support by subscribing to this channel. As you can see, 99% of the viewers are not subscribed. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. So finding out your friend's birthday allows you to send them messages on Snapchat to wish them happy birthday. To find the birthday, open up your Snapchat app, tap on the chat icon at the bottom, tap on a friend, then tap on the rocket icon at the bottom right. Next, select Mini. Scroll down and find birthdays. Tap on it and the birthday screen will launch. Here you'll see all the birthdays of your friends. If you scroll down and tap on View Friends, you'll see all the birthdays for the coming months. And that is how to find your friend's birthday on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more social media tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.